Hello, friends! Today we will draw and color the beautiful butterfly. I will start drawing the head. I will draw the butterfly's wings. I will draw the other wing. Let's draw the butterfly's body. I'll draw the other parts of the wings. I'll add some colorful parts on the wings. Let's draw the eyes and the mouth. I'll draw some circles.
Dreaming in flowers.
I will color the head of this butterfly with yellow.
Mommy butterfly, mommy butterfly, daddy butterfly, grandma butterfly, grandpa butterfly.
I will add colorful parts on the wings. I will choose the red.
Colorful wings. Safe and free.
I will add the blue color.
Dreaming in flowers. Let's flutter high. Colorful wings. Safe and free. Dreaming in flowers.
I will paint the butterfly's body with brown.
Let's flutter high.
I will color the upper parts of wings with orange.
Safe and free. Dreaming in flowers. Baby butterfly, baby butterfly, mommy butterfly, mommy butterfly, daddy butterfly, grandma butterfly.
I will color the lower part of wings with magenta.
Let's flutter high. Colorful wings. Safe and free. Dreaming in flowers. Baby butterfly.
I will paint the circles with green.
Baby butterfly. Mommy butterfly. Mommy butterfly. Daddy butterfly. Grandma butterfly.
I will color the circles on the top with dark green.
Butterfly. Let's flutter high.
Good job, friends! You could draw and color the butterfly with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more.